Back again with Metal Pete. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. This is my first complete one. It's the almost the earliest version of the Laguna. The earliest version would have a plastic switch housing, and I actually wanted the metal switch housing version, which is what this is. Lower canopy, beehive, upper canopy, variable speed. There's a laundromat that had two of these. Now they have one, and there was a Dairy Queen that had one that's long gone.
Oh, yeah. I remember up in my dad's town, where he grew up, the Dairy Queen, I think, had the same thing. I remember the same thing, but yeah, it's also gone too. But yeah, I remember that too. And like I always say, the music store, Uncle Bob's, when it was at its old location, had this one. So yeah, well.
Okay, let's give it a whirl.
Started up. Low trim is set pretty low on this, so I'm gonna just start working my way up till it starts. Okay. Well, I got an aesthetic low.
0.26.
Okay. And 10 watts, maybe close to 11 watts. And a power factor of just over a quarter. So it's a little slow. So I'm just going to go to... I mean, he'll hear hum, but it's not bad.
No, it's not bad. I believe this has a reverse pull chain, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm betting it does. We'll find out. But here's a reasonable low, I call it. It's reasonable. And then I'm just gonna slowly inch up. Just show that it's a variable speed. And I'm already all the way up on it. It's picking up speed, so...
Relatively low current draw and good airflow.
Oh, yeah.
Seems like K55 category to me.
Mm.
Based on how much it's moving over here.
Yeah. I'm going to give that a shot.
Yeah, not sure how accurate it'll be with all the stuff in the way, but might be.
Oh, no.
You can tell?
Oh, yeah. And that is definitely feels K55 for a spinner motor like this. So it's a really good airflow. Very good. So I'm going to do watts, 74 watts, and power factor of 1 when it's all the way up. Alright. So time for spin down.
Pretty quiet on high, I would say.
Yeah, it certainly is.
Bearings in this one are in good shape, unlike the last one.
Yeah.
It stopped.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. Nope.
Interesting.
Nope, it's just an on-off pull chain.
Interesting. Some of them have a reverse pull chain. I wonder
I
what
know.
determined which ones do and which ones don't. That switch housing's loose too. I don't know if you noticed that.
Yeah, I did.
Easy to fix though.
Oh, yeah.
You don't even have to do it if you don't want to, but I'm just saying it's easy.
Well, let's just see if I can... Yeah. Okay.
There might be a screw on both sides too.
Yeah. I'm just gonna do that real quick.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Well, let's see how it does on the...
Decade.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Interesting. I'm surprised it doesn't start until 4.
Yeah. It's drawing 0.24. Well, it's drawing about the same current as
Yeah?
it did when I got it going with
That's
the
true.
variable, so
That's true.
it's actually... Here's 5. I mean, this one, yeah, since it's not a reverse pull chain, I mean, if you wanted to, you can actually remove the variable and just bypass it.
Yeah.
Since this one's not a very low type one, so
No.
just bypass it. And 5 is pretty much a very reasonable low, very standard.
Yeah.
0.29. Alright. 6, 7, and here's 8. Okay, so reasonable. That's a medium low. 9, 10, 12. If you want that for a medium on a remote.
It's not a bad medium.
No. Here's 13. This is more closer to a backed off high. If you use this on a 4-speed, this is a good backed off high. Right
That's
here.
true.
And what's it drawing? What did it draw on high? Do you...
0.61, I think?
Oh yeah, that's right. It was not a very high thing.
No, it wasn't very high.
so if I were to hit high, it's still a difference.
Yeah,
I
still
hit
quite a
high.
difference.
Yeah, I hit high so that you can see the difference. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Let's see what it can do on high. 0.63, that's what it did on high. So if I went 21, I'm almost right there. 22 if it's... I think it might be leveling off.
Yeah, it seems like it. It's not going any higher.
Yeah, it's just once I reach a certain capacitance, it just levels off.
Some fans do that.
Yeah. Yeah, which is fine because, well, I know this is safe on any capacitor-based wall control. Alright, now I already did the solid state in this
That's
one.
true, and that's exactly the same as a solid state would
Yeah,
be.
it's a cardboard box type.
Yep.
Basically like this.
So 0 to high, I guess,
Yes.
is all we got left.
Yep. Really no inrush, to tell you the truth.
It actually it starts a little lower and gets higher, I think.
I've noticed some do that too, yeah, where it's like...
You gonna want to do another one, or you think this is your last one?
Probably my last one.
That's fair, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we did 3 things today,
Yep.
and we got 2 fans on video.
Mm-hmm.
So I'd call that a success. Let me look at my calendar. I might be free Saturday.
Okay.
Saturday is the 19th. Yeah, I'm free Saturday.
Okay.
So let me know. I mean, obviously stuff can come up at any time.
Okay.
Let me know how your Saturday ends up looking.
All right.
So, okay. Well, I think we've done everything for this fan. So, Alexa, garage front on.
Okay.
We'll see you guys soon. Maybe Saturday, maybe in the future.
Okay.